Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I've been a little puny for a while, but tonight I'm going to make a prepper pantry meal. Been making a few of those lately, and we are going to use our burrito in a jar. I will put the video to that on the end screen of this video. We are going to use green chili enchilada sauce from the pantry. I cut up some corn tortilla for chips to add something crunchy. We have our corn oil, and I'll be using these keto friendly wraps. You can use white tortillas or taco shells. Do it however you want, but I'm going to do like a chimichanga, and so I'll heat up my burrito stuff, roll up the burritos, move this out of the way, get this burner turned on. Hot pan, cold oil, food won't stick. That's what they say. So we're going to get our oil nice and hot. I have a ton of stuff I've got canning projects I need to put away, vacuum sealing I need to get done, boxes I need to unpack. And we'll cook our burrito or chimichanga in the same oil that we cook the chips in. And we'll use some of our, you can use store-bought salsa, canned salsa that you made for the chips. And then on top, I think I have some lettuce in there already, cut up from fish tacos I made my husband. And you can chop up some onion to put on top. You can use grated cheese or your home canned cheese or your queso cheese, whatever you have to put on top as well. I'm going to get my paper towels ready for when they come out of the oil. Let's see. Not quite there. I have this on high and I will turn it down once it gets hot. And that chip's going to tell us when it's hot. And these look funky because the last time I made them I just ripped the tortillas in half, and these are the other half I cut up. Thought about doing strips. You can cut them any way you like or tear them. What did I make that night when I made chips? I don't even remember. Oh, I made enchiladas with some leftover pot roast. And then on the side we had beans, refried beans, Spanish rice, and chips. So when this is hot, I'll come back when we're frying. Okay, hopefully I was recording. So we're frying our tortillas. And there's a fine line between flipping because they'll get really soft, and if you flip them at that stage you can tear them up. That's the same with making your tacos or tostadas. If you have a deep fryer, you can do that. I'm just trying to avoid using that much oil. Trying to conserve everything. And I will do our chimichangas in here as well, with our burrito in a jar. And it's as easy as that, you guys. A little sizzle, sizzle, fry, fry, and get them crispy. Add a little salt. And you got chips. So if there's a chip shortage, you have masa, you can make your own tortillas, then you can make your own chips and all the things. Did I flip that one? I don't know. I not be knowing. So I'm going to do all my chips. And then we will come back. I'm going to heat up the burrito in a jar, just in a separate pan, and then we will come back and roll up our chimichangas or fried burritos, whatever you want to call them, and get this dinner wrapped up. Okay, so here's our chips, nice and crispy. And then here's our burrito in a jar. So we are going to get this hot, and then we will come back and roll our burrito chimichanga thingies for frying. Okay, so we are going to fill our burrito, and this has meat, beans, rice, rotel, bell pepper, onion, green chilies, taco sauce, and we want to make sure we have it wrapped up really good, so we don't want any oozing. I just had a sneezing fit. I probably put less filling in than I did. These tortillas are so soft. Oh, you want to put this in. It's not hot enough yet. Put this in seam side down. Can you hear the dogs getting a drink? I have my green sauce ready. There we go. We're starting to fry. Hopefully I don't leak. Green sauce ready. Chips are ready. I have some onion. I have some leftover lettuce. I have a little bit of grated cheddar. And that's going to be dinner. I feel another sneezing fit coming on. Hopefully not. Okay, nothing happened. It's been raining for days. We had 4 days. Then it got hot. And now it's been raining for 2 days. My water barrels are full, like overflowing full. move some of these chips so I can put this burrito on there to drain. Get a plate ready. And you can use any filling you want. Fill your burritos however you like them, and then just do this. But I'm just showing you what you can do with your canned foods. You could use your canned beans, the store-bought canned shredded beef or hamburger, chicken, anything you want. Just create a filling with whatever you have on the pantry. Wrap it up, cook it. Sounds like I got a leak. I'm scared. I knew that was going to happen. And if this happens, just get a spatula. It'll be all right. Just don't fill it as much as I did. Nice and crispy. That other side cooled off that pan. That's weird. Doesn't take long. Get a spoon for our sauce. And you can use red sauce or green sauce or salsa, whatever you like. Drain it off a bit. You can put some sour cream. I'm going to add our sauce. I added the cheese. Lettuce, some onion, chips, and there you go, you guys. Pantry meal. Super easy, super cheap. Just use what you have, maybe what you have in the garden. If you have walking onions, chop some of those. If you have some homegrown lettuce, throw that on. Lamb's quarter, whatever you got. Just cut some greens out of the yard. Whatever cheese you have, queso, sour cream, salsa, red sauce, green sauce. So there you go. So if you have any questions, post them down below. If you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all soon with some canning and shopping hauls. You all take care, you stay safe, you stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.